Hello and welcome to another video. This video is special because today, October 26, 2024, is the last day ever that QantasLink will fly the Boeing 717, which is being replaced by the Airbus A220-300. This is a flight report of what was both my first ever and last ever Boeing 717 flight on Australia Day 2024, exactly 9 months ago. Flight number QF1523 was a flight from Canberra to Melbourne Tullamarine, a short 1 hour and 10-minute hop. Our aircraft was VH-YQW, named the Tassie Devil, the last Boeing 717 ever built by McDonnell Douglas in 2006. Struth, she's even older than I am. This aircraft first flew for Midwest Airlines in the USA, then Mexicana Click in Mexico, but since 2014 has been in the land down under with QantasLink. As we can see, she has a very fitting special livery with Tasmanian Devil and paw print logos applied to the fuselage and large Discover Tasmania titles. This aircraft can accommodate 110 passengers. There are 12 business class seats in a 4 abreast 2-2 seating configuration and 98 economy class seats in a 5 abreast 3-2 seating configuration. This leads to a funny kink in the aisle between business and economy. The hard product was nothing to write home about, being quite dated and very emblematic of regional Australia. The theme for that month's Qantas magazine was a cool blue. Look at those huge rear-mounted Rolls-Royce BR715 turbofan engines all up in your face.
Belt fastened in case of unexpected turbulence. In the unlikely event of an emergency, you should be familiar with the brace position appropriate to your seat. If you can reach the seat in front of you, brace by placing your forehead on the back of the seat in front. Hold your lower legs or put your hands on your knees. If you can't reach the seat in front, put your head on your knees or lean as far forward as you can and hold onto your lower legs. Keep your feet. Crew member is now demonstrating how to put your life jacket on. Remove the life jacket from the pouch by pulling the tab. Put the jacket over your head. Pass the strap around your waist. Clip at the front and then tighten. There are 2 red tags and 2 mouthpieces for inflation.
The roar of the engines is so loud when you're sitting at the back of the plane. Look at what I even got a glimpse of, the replacement for the Boeing 717 for QantasLink. this window shade was acting up. Every time I lifted it, it was falling back down halfway. It's a sign that these 717s are unfortunately aging. For lunch, we were given this spaghetti bolognese. Although it didn't look great, it was actually quite tasty considering it was airplane food. We flew into this big cloud that surrounded our aircraft. I'm sure it's not easy flying in instrument flight conditions, so kudos to the pilots. As we taxied to our gate at Melbourne Tullamarine, I was excited to see such a diverse range of aircraft, from China Airlines' A350 and Hainan Airlines' A330 widebodies, to 737s owned by Virgin Australia and Bonza, rest in peace. I think there's even a Sri Lankan Airlines A330 in the background at the end of the clip. On an ending note, look how small the 717 overhead compartments are. Looking back, I feel so lucky to have had the opportunity to fly the Boeing 717 before the type's retirement from QantasLink. While I'm super excited for the new Airbus A220s, the 717 deserves so much praise for being such an excellent workhorse in the tough conditions of regional and outback Australia. I raise a glass to you, 717. Happy retirement. If you also loved the QantasLink Boeing 717, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, comment Godspeed 717 to show that you watched until the end. Thank you and goodbye.